Welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I post recipes and share cooking experience every week. In this episode, we are making sweet bean sauce sautéed pork, also known as Jing Jiang Pork. Please remember to subscribe. Jing Jiang Pork is a traditional dish of Beijing cuisine. While the primary ingredient is pork tenderloin, its insurmountable taste is indeed coming from the mixture of all the ingredients in the recipe. It is typically served with tofu sheets to wrap all the materials before you enjoy. Although none of the ingredients is hard to find, mixing them together somehow offers the most wonderful and hard to resist taste. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna need the soft tofu sheet. Take a few slices, depending on how many you would like to eat. And I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. Make it about 1.5 inch wide and about 2 inches long. I'm gonna boil them for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare the pork. Remove the fat from the tenderloin. Cut into thin slices, about 1 millimeter thin. And then shred it into thin stripes. Rinse them in the water. Squeeze out the water. Add dark soy sauce for color and taste. A pinch of 5 spice, salt, sugar, a pinch of baking soda. This is the secret ingredient that is gonna make the tenderloin tender and cooking wine. Mix well until all of the liquid ingredients are absorbed by the meat. Add an egg white. Mix again towards one direction. Remember the trick. Starch, about 1 teaspoon. Mix again. And then add some cooking oil. Mix well. Put it aside for use later. In a little plate, we're gonna have about 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste, and then 2.5 teaspoons of sweet bean sauce. Add about 1/3 cup of water. Mix well. Until you don't feel there is any large chunk anymore. And we're going to take out the already boiled tofu sheet, fold them alongside the edge of the plate for decoration, and also we're going to use them to wrap all of the materials before we can enjoy. And then we're going to shred some cucumbers. I'm using the Persian cucumber because it is very crispy. And I also make the cucumber shreds about 1.5 inch long. The trick is when you wrap the tofu sheet, all the ingredients inside the tofu sheet, you want every single bite has all of the ingredients combined. You don't want the tofu sheets to be too big or the tofu sheet to be too short, because then that means when you bite, you may have only bite the tofu sheet without anything else. So all of the materials should be around the same length or width for that matter. I'm going to shred the scallion. And then the parsley, same length. And put it around the plate. In a heated pan, add cooking oil. And make sure the oil is evenly scattered around the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to stir fry. High heat. This is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes until the color of the meat changes into this white color, almost white, light color, I guess. And take them out. No need to wash the pan. Add some additional oil, and then we're going to put all of the sweet sauce mixture into the pan, and on medium heat, because we do not want to burn the sauce. Until the bubbles showing, and then we can add the shredded pork back. And stir fry for about 1 minute until all the ingredients are mix together very well and you can see the bubble. Put them out, put it on top of the tofu sheets and the other ingredients, and then put some sesame seed on top. It is ready to serve. Wrap them around the tofu sheet. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to check out the other videos in my channel. Subscribe and support. Thank you so much.